And I'm Jane Aldrich. We followed his trial since it began 2 months ago. And now Khalil, the Charlotte doctor convicted of 8 counts of criminal sexual conduct, 1 case involving a minor, is sentenced to prison.
Joe Khalil is in the courtroom today. He got reaction to the doctor's sentence from both sides.
You shall serve 85 to 180 months with the Michigan Department of Corrections.
The fate of Dr. Khalil is sealed. In front of a packed courtroom of former jurors, victims, and about 20 Halleck supporters, Eaton County Judge Janice Cunningham sentenced the doctor to a 15-year maximum sentence. Halleck will do at least 7 years before he's eligible for parole.
It is my time to heal, and it is his time to be punished.
With their last opportunity to address Halleck and the court, some former victims issued rather emotionally charged statements before the sentencing.
I will sleep better at night knowing that we will be spending eternity in different places.
They are ready to move on, and I think today is a day when they can start to get some closure.
Prosecuting attorney Kelly Morton says Halleck's victims are pleased with the sentence.
Something that they've all expressed concern about from the very beginning, that he not be allowed to see patients ever again.
The Halleck family, on the other hand, was devastated.
They knew he was going to get a prison term. We were hoping that it'd be the lesser. They're very disappointed, and basically I'm here to console them.
Halleck's attorney says even after his client's conviction, the support from the community was overwhelming. Many former patients even wrote letters to the judge, but it wasn't enough to reduce his sentence.
55 letters from community support is basically unheard of, at least in my career. I have to respect the jury, but I do not think justice was served.
All right, so Joe's here with us now, and he will do at least 7 years. Is that correct, Joe?
That's right, Joe.
And after he's out, will he be able to practice medicine again?
Well, not in the United States. He's barred here, and it's interesting because he is actually a Canadian citizen as well. He's got dual citizenship. So we did reach out to an immigration attorney to find out if, when he gets out of prison, he would be able to move back to Canada and practice medicine there. And he said, in all likelihood, that won't be the case because we have a reciprocity treaty with Canada, and so most likely if he's barred here, he's also barred in Canada.
Okay. So the question is, can he move back to Canada once he gets out of prison?
Well, technically he can. I mean, he is a Canadian citizen, but he's a sex offender now in the U.S., so he will wear a tether for the rest of his life on his leg, and if he does end up moving back to Canada, he would at least have to come check in back in the States every 6 months or so.
Okay. All right, Joe, thanks for that.